You know, I never really imagined meeting a girl like you. Not only beautiful on the outside, but exceptionally smart, independent, driven, and undoubtedly a great catch.
Jayce, it's hard to even remember a time before my heart knew you. Being with you is a place of sacred comfort and peace that I could have never imagined existed before you introduced it.
I come from a small family, no brothers or sisters, so having a friend like Jayce has meant more to me than just a friendship. Jayce has been the brother I never had.
I always pray for my daughters to find a man that could really love them.
It didn't take long for me to realize I'd better not let this one go. You've inspired me to try harder, study longer, and strive for the things I wanted in life. You have helped me shape me into the man I am today. The thought of being with you forever never really made me nervous, and I am so happy that we made it here today. I cannot wait to see what our future has in store for us. I love you with all my heart, Nicole. Yes, even more than fishing.
Over the years, we have traveled through life's trials and accomplishments and have grown exponentially, individually and as a team. We have become the reality of a love that I had only dreamed of having. In all of this time with you, I have never, even for a millisecond, felt that I was not loved, fully, unconditionally, and purely by you. I will devote every bit of my being to making sure that you can always say that I've done the same for you. That for every moment, for the rest of your days, you feel how much I love you, unconditionally, for the rest of my life.
You two prove that true love does exist. May your lives be filled with everlasting love, happiness, and adventure.
I want to thank my parents, my mom and dad, for being the perfect example of what a marriage is supposed to be like.